Good morning, everyone. Well, I love this time of year when all the flowers start coming out, but it does make me a little sneezy. It might make you a little sneezy too. Sometimes the medicine that you can take, though, is delicious and will make you feel better, and I'm going to read you a story like that. It's called Chicken Soup, and it is by Jean Van Leeuwen, illustrated by David Gavriel, and published by Abrams Publishing. All right, so let's get started. Okay, chicken soup. All right, here we go. The cow says, "Psst," and cow told sheep, which sounds like they have a secret. I wonder. Psst, sheep told pig. Psst, pig told goose. I wonder what they could be telling each other. Goose told all the chickens. Psst, psst. All right. Mrs. Farmer has taken out the big pot. She's making chicken soup. Chicken soup, run for your lives. The chickens all skedaddled out of the hen house. Do you see that? All except little Chickie. "What's the matter?" asked Red Hen. "I've sniff, got a cold in my beak," said little Chickie. "Run anyway," said Red Hen. All right. Little Chickie ran. He doesn't want to be chicken soup. Sniff, sniff, sniff. She hid in the hayloft, but all the hay tickled her beak. Suddenly she heard, "Here, chick, 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 clomp, 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 clomp." Mr. Farmer's boots came closer and closer. All right. See all the people hiding in the hay? All the chickies hiding in the hay? Achoo! That sounds like me. Achoo! The chickens all fluttered out of the hayloft and into the milk room. Little Chickie hid in a pail, but all that milk tickled her beak, and then she heard, "Here, chick, 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 chick," and clomp. Mr. Farmer's boots came closer and closer. Achoo! The chickens all scattered out of the barn. Better get moving into the sheep meadow. There they all running to the sheep meadow. Little Chickie hid between the sheep, but guess what? All that wool tickled her beak. "Here, chick, 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 chick." Clomp, clomp, clomp. Mr. Farmer's boots came closer and closer. Bah! Achoo! Poor little Chickie. Little Chickie scurried out of the sheep meadow and into the pig pen. "Better stop that sneezing," snorted Pig. "Mr. Farmer's on your tail." She sniffed, and then clomp, clomp, clomp. What is that she hears? Where could little Chickie hide now? "Run," hissed Goose. "Better yet, fly." Little Chickie ran. She flapped her little wings, but she couldn't get off the ground. Oh no. Clomp, Clomp, clomp. Mr. Farmer's boots were right behind her. She's still sniffing. Oh no. Oh, she bounced. She somersaulted right into Mrs. Farmer's flower bed. And that would make me sneeze. Achoo! Ah, there you are, said Mrs. Farmer. I've been looking everywhere for you. He carried little Chickie into the kitchen. Uh-oh. Why, you poor little Chickie, said Mrs. Farmer. I made you some nice vegetable soup. Choo! Achoo! Said little Chickie. But she ate the vegetable soup. And isn't that funny? Because she thought she was going to be the soup. But you don't give a chicken soup, do you? Okay, everybody, I hope you enjoyed that book. And I hope you have a great day. And I hope you don't have a lot of achoos today. And we'll see you later.